So I know that you're tired of paying credit repair companies and not getting any results. I understand. I've been there before. I paid this company like $179 for months at a time and I didn't get any results. And let me tell you, I felt hopeless, I felt angry, and I felt stuck. And many of you have been through the same thing. You've paid a company and didn't get any results, or you paid somebody and it took forever to get updates, or you paid someone and they just completely ghosted you. They just act like you didn't exist and just ignored all your phone calls. But I believe that everybody deserves another chance with their credit to get a home, a car, or even some type of loan. So in the past 8 years, I've helped hundreds of clients just like you to repair their credit and build a very strong, indestructible credit profile. And so I want to tell you what makes us different from other companies. I've personally spent tens of thousands of dollars to learn credit, learn how to build a credit profile, and I've spent the time to build a strong team of professionals to work alongside me. My lead credit specialist used to work at TransUnion and in Equifax. So we know how to get the fastest results possible because we got an inside person on our team. We're one of the only companies that you'll talk to that has had someone working inside of the bureaus before. And one of the most common questions I get is, Richard, can you help me with my credit? And the answer is yes. I want you to go to www.creditrich101.com/free call and schedule your free perfect credit score consultation call with somebody from my team. We are not the cheapest company to work with, but you won't have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn and get your credit fixed like I did. But picture a day when you have a 750 or 850 credit score. Picture a day when a lender calls you and said you've been approved for your home, your car, or whatever type of loan you're trying to get. Picture a day when you can walk into any business and get approved for whatever it is you'd want to get approved for. So whether this is your first time paying someone for credit repair, or you've paid people before and didn't get results, or you know how to fix credit and just don't have the time to do it, this is the right next step for you. And I'll leave you with this. Years ago, I was a supervisor in the oil field, and I was just sick and tired of being on call. It was to a point where I would come home, get a call, and my children would be like, Dad, do you have to leave again? And I was just tired of it. And one day I was out of town and the boss was on the job with us, me and my crew, and it was about 8 o'clock at night. One of my crewmates came up to me and he started talking to me about starting a business. And at the time I was a little skeptical and I listened to him and I thought that it made a lot of sense. So later on that night, we went to the boss since he was out there with us, and just kind of jokingly we were saying, hey, do you want to invest in this business? We're thinking about starting a company. So this man looked at us with a grin on his face and he smiled, a big smile, and he said, good luck with that. I know how much I pay y'all. It'll take forever for y'all to start a business. And that was all the motivation that I needed. Even though I was skeptical, I knew that I was tired of my situation. I knew that I had to make a change. Otherwise, I would not get the results that I desired. So I took a chance and it turned out to be one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. So there comes a time in everybody's life where we're skeptical and not sure of the outcome, but we know that our current situation is not what we really desire for ourselves. And we have to take a chance to get the result that we want. And you never know, that decision could be the best decision that you ever make. Because of that decision, I'm no longer hopeless, I'm hopeful. I'm no longer angry, I'm happy. And I'm no longer stuck, I have options. Because I took a chance, even though I was skeptical. And you deserve good credit to get your own house. Or you deserve good credit to get your own car. You deserve good credit to get whatever type of funding you want. You deserve good credit.